Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter patterns. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 2 math. Chapter we start with is patterns. So let's just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is repeating patterns. Look at this pattern. With which pattern matches? This pattern shows one purple and two red and repeats. So we have find the other pattern that shows one object and then two of a different object and then repeats. This pattern shows one and then two and then repeats. This pattern match one purple and two yellow. Let's just start with the test questions. Look at this pattern. We need to find the missing pattern. We have two blue and one purple. S- So we have one blue. So option number 4 is the correct option. The other blue and the purple. Option number 4 is the correct option. Option number 4 is the correct option. Look at this pattern. Which pattern match? One plate and two sofas. So we need to match up with the one in which we have one object and the second object is two times. Option number one is the correct option. The sap of this pattern has exactly the same. They match. Option number one is the correct option. Look at this pattern. So which pattern match? So we have three different objects. They repeat themselves after one time. So option number two is the correct option, right? We have one, two, three objects and they keep repeating themselves. So option number two is the correct option. Look at this pattern. Star, diamond, and triangle. So star, diamond. The next one is triangle and star. Option number three is the correct option. Option number three is the correct option. Look at this pattern. Which pattern matches? Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is growing patterns. Which comes next? So patterns are growing. We need to see which is the next pattern. A cube and a cone, two cubes and cone. Basically, the cubes are growing. The cones are the same. The one at the starting and the one at the end. And the cubes in between are growing. So they are one. The next one is one, two, three, four. Let's just start with the test questions. Which comes next? A yellow and a pink butterfly. A yellow and pink butterflies. A yellow and three pink butterflies. A yellow and four pink butterflies. Option number three is the correct option. Which comes next? Two rectangles in a triangle. Then three rectangles in a triangle. Then four rectangles in a triangle. So one, two, three, four, five. The next one is five rectangles in a triangle. Option number two is the correct option. Which comes next? a sofa and a stool, a sofa and two stools, then a sofa and three stools, a sofa and four stools. The next one is a sofa and five stools. One, two, three, four, five. So option number three is the correct option. Option number three is the correct option. Which comes next? Option number three is the correct option. Option number three is the correct option. Which comes next? So which is the next one? Option number one is the correct option. Which comes next? A triangle and a rectangle. Two triangles and a rectangle. Then three triangles and a rectangle. Option number 4 is the correct option. We have four rectangle and a rectangle. Option number 3 is the correct option. Which comes next? The next one is, which is the correct option? Mm, Option number 1 is the correct option. Which comes next? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the yourself later today. Okay, we are done with the chapter patterns. Let's just move on to next lesson. Addition one digit. Let's just the next chapter. That is addition one digit. Let's just start with the first lesson. Addition one digit. Add 2 plus 4. So we have two buttons in the first group and four buttons in the second group. So let's just count them together. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 buttons. Let's just start with the test questions. Add 2 plus 4. So let's just count them together, right? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the correct option is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Six plus 3. Let's just count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 makes 9. The correct option is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Two plus 4. Let's just count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The correct option is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Five plus 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. Option number 4 is the correct option. 9 plus 1. Let's just count them together. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The correct option is 10. Option number 3 is the correct option. The correct option is 10. Add 1 plus 8. 8 plus 1 makes 9. The correct option is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Add 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct option is 1. 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Eight plus 0. So when you're adding 0 to any number, the number remains the same. So 8 plus 0 is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Add plus 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. 9 plus 0 makes 9 plus 0 makes 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8 plus 2 makes the correct option is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Plus 0 is 1 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson you self-rated today. So we were working on grade 2 math chapter. We have started with patterns. The lessons we have covered are repeating patterns and growing patterns. And then we have started the chapter addition one digit. We have covered the lesson addition one digit. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the that is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available, or either you can write them in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. You can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.